Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart OPPO K10x. Alright, so all we need to do is to open up the power menu for the first method, because we also have the force restart, which I'm going to show you in this video. But first I'll show you the recommended method when the phone is responsive and when works normally. So for the first method, we need to open up the power menu by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time. And now we need to drag this white ball into the restart and now simply release your finger. After a few seconds, the device will be automatically turned on back again and it will be ready to use. But we have also the force restart, just like I've said before, and we perform it by holding the power button and volume up button. This method is recommended, for example, when your device is frozen, lagged, basically when it's unresponsive. So let's hold both of the buttons. As you can see, the power menu appeared, but we need to keep holding both of the buttons. Okay, and when the phone vibrates and when the OPPO logo appears, we can release our fingers. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.